Welcome to my channel. Visiting spring water conservation area. It's a bit windy today, and weather is so nice. Oh, this is beautiful, by the way. I hope you can see some raindrops. So over here we have two choices. This goes over here, which is to the conservation line, and this is around the spring water pond. So I will take this trail. So right now, so as leaves are on the ground, it feels like it's carpet made of leaves. I hope you can see in the back. Yeah, okay, let me go down. Another viewpoint. Oh, it's getting cold, so I guess I need to wear my gloves as my hands are getting frozen. I will look for a spot. Okay, one more spot, and you can see the weather now. It's getting windy, but now flurries have stopped. It's getting windy, but a good thing is flurries have stopped. Now I'm going back towards my car. So it's now open. Weather is okay. So that group is playing disc or frisbee. So they have a net, yeah, on the left hand side, and they're throwing over. Okay, so lots of trees are on the ground, but I think that's the part of their cycle. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, wow. So I will walk a bit, I will walk on this trail a little bit as well, as it's looking so beautiful over here. I think I should take some pictures now. Oh, this is looking so beautiful. So the flurries size has got bigger, so they are looking so beautiful. Oh, I love this part of the forest. Two trees are dissecting each other. Unbelievable. This is so beautiful, by the way. Okay, it's getting windy. I hope you can hear the voice. It's very windy right now. So I'm done with my hiking.